Mechanical toy videos are going viral on Instagram right now. One page already has over 70,000 followers, and a single video crossed 22 million views. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create these yourself. This is one I made in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for Mechanical Toy Generator. Start it, and it will give you 10 different video ideas. I'm choosing the second one. It will generate 3 things: a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt. Copy the first image prompt, then open Google Flow. Go to Text to Image, select the Nano Banana 2 model, paste your prompt, choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs, and hit Generate. Here's what I got. It looks like a real product in hand. Save the image you like. Next, go to Image Edit and upload that image. Now copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate again. Your second image is ready. Now head to Image to Video. Set your frame and resolution. Add the first image as the start frame and the second as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is done. It's really that simple. Here are a few more videos I created using the same method. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.